What is up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, back for another MMAT update, and today is not looking so hot. Down 7.13% and down half a buck here at 52 cents in the red today. Getting closer to that oversold territory down at the RSI, looking at 39.8. Lots of big red volume candles here. A couple of dip buys here, and then further dips, and then I would expect to see another dip buy before the day is done. And MACD's looking like they're just about touching here. Got a couple of things to get to, first of which being Fidelity has finally updated the market cap of MMAT, sitting at $2.07 billion. Very nice. That's huge. Big time company here. And then we do have, let's see here. We do have a new filing from MMAT to the SEC. Let's get to that. This here, so it was filed today, but it is basically reiterating their last filing from the 29th. Yeah, it says, June 29th is from. I already read this specific filing yesterday. I read bits and pieces of it. Basically, to sum it up, the important bit from this filing is that AST informed them on the 29th that the required reconciliations and share transfers cannot be completed until on or about Friday, July 2nd. That is today. I still have not seen any word on the share reconciliations being completed, so I will keep looking out for that. But anyway, moving on here, we've got short interest. So short volume ratio is up from yesterday. I believe yesterday it was 22, maybe 23% short interest. So it's up to 26. And then the big news here, well, this is we have a little bit of an increase in the short shares availability to down from a low of 100 or even lower yesterday, right around this time yesterday at 59, and then it was hovering back and forth between 103,000. Now it's up to 150,000 short shares available. And then this is the big one here. Short borrow fee rate 122%. That is fucking insane. So this thing should be ready to pop. The shorts have not closed out their positions on TRCH, as far as I know. So we are still due to squeeze from the TRCH. And as I said in a previous video, the timeline on that, so the failure to deliver timeline puts that potential for the shorts to have to cover. That is the last possible day the shorts can cover would be July 23rd, if memory serves correctly. And then that is a Friday, I believe, to close out from the dividend. And then the merger T+21 failure to deliver would go into effect the following Monday on July 26th. I believe that's correct. Let me check the calendar here. Yes, the 26th would be that Monday. The 23rd would be the Friday before. So the end of July could get pretty wild if things continue the way they're going with this, with the short borrow fee rate getting to be over 122%, which is astronomical. It got up over 100 on the 30th. This is as high as I've ever seen it for this one. And then let's go right over here. We got a possible scenario that could play out, posted by Mildest Kicks, MMAT/TRCH squeeze and Tesla partnership. So according to data from Naked Short Report, there's two because merge wasn't finished, and data comes out for TRCH and MMAT. Shorts haven't covered, and I have proof that we will squeeze with certain requirements. So, all right, we got two choices here. Choice one, massive volume. Choice two, exhaust the shorts. All right, so choice one, With massive volume, we can squeeze the shorts. Data from AMC. I guess this is data from AMC on June 2nd. This is when the squeeze really took off for AMC. As you can see, they didn't have enough to cover our volume. How did they do this? With a catalyst. On June 2nd, this was announced. As of June 2, AMC had 501 million shares outstanding that will be entitled to a vote in the upcoming shareholder meeting. This attracted buyers and caught them off guard, pushing AMC, or pushing the price to all-time highs and setting a new support of 54 to 57. So how does this apply to MMAT? Our catalyst for this push is Metamaterial Inc. management will hold a live webcast presentation on Tuesday, July 6th at 1 p.m. to discuss recent events and Meta's future growth initiatives. What do we need them to say? Or we need them to announce something worth getting buyers' attentions and pushing a rally of buyers. What could this be? The Tsla partnership, them confirming they're supplying / working with them. Anyone who's done DD or follows me on Webull knows I've been posting and pushing this so people can find out. And I did cover this in a previous video, the potential Tsla partnership. They do share, Tesla's Canada office does share the same address with Metamaterials. So that is a significant possibility. There was some Twitter back and forth between Papa George and Elon Musk talking about MRIs and things of that nature, if memory serves correctly. We already know about this, but once the stock market finds out, we should see a push from buyers, and since we are shorted, this should attract, yup, you guessed it, Wall Street bets. All right, so what happens if I don't sell on the squeeze? We will reach all-time highs and a new average. The company still works and provides for them as they have a contract with them until like 2026. Positive, we will still be fighting shorts, but with this company under the wing with Tsla and making an estimate of 10B in revenue, we couldn't be worried for a dump. We are also added to the Russell 3000. That's why we're added to the NASDAQ. That's the conclusion of choice 1. Choice 2 is basically keep hitting these guys with buying power until they give up. Eventually, they'll have such a high borrow fee that it will squeeze just like AMC did in January, and failure to do this will allow shorts to cover, and we'll be holding for much longer until other catalysts come. Just like how AMC ran out of juice from 20 to 5 and holding for about 4 to 5 months until it happened back in the beginning of June, and the battle is starting all over again over there. And so far, we were able to keep them above a 40% fee since we have managed to have volume in the millions. And we just confirmed that with the short borrow fee rate. It's staying around and above 80%, which is fucking insane. And Calligrapher Fresh, let the shit settle and see selling for a loss. Ain't an option we take, so just hodl and shut the fuck up. And I got a lot of questions from the last video on MMAT asking where their dividend was. And so the short answer for that is the dividend will be paid out once TRCH's assets are sold off and liquidated. So we're just going to have to be patient for that. And I think that is just about going to do it for this video, guys. So please, as always, make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on metamaterials as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.